Hi, welcome to this channel again. I'm Nabil from Deluxe Home Search. In episode 1, I explained briefly about the main dashboard for Shopify, and in episode 2, I showed you how to add the product. And today, in episode 3, I want to show you how to make your store looks good. So we're choosing Shopify themes and I'm going to show you how to customize it so it looks professional. You can do it with zero experience and it's actually simpler than it looks. So let's dive into it. So before we pick anything, let me quickly explain what theme actually is because it really confused me when I started. A theme is basically the skin of your store. It controls how everything looks, the layout, the fonts, the colors, and how your products are displayed. This is the Wild Gear store with a theme applied. It looks clean, professional, and like a real brand. And this is what Shopify looks like with no customization. It's still the same products but completely different feelings. So, themes don't change your products or your setting. They only change how the store looks to customer. Now, Shopify has free themes and paid themes. Paid ones cost 200 until 400 bucks one time. And my honest advice for you guys, the beginner one, just start with the free one. You can always upgrade later once your store is making money. Don't spend like bucks on the themes before you met your first sale. And for today, we're going to use, so honestly, down is very popular. Let's just use this heritage. I finished it already, but I still want to tweak it a little bit so that it can improve. So what I'm gonna do is edit themes and I'm going to show you guys the very basic feature that we can do, and you literally doesn't have any experience to do this because it's not rocket science. So here where you can find the themes, or when you want to customize your store, you have to go to this online store. Here's my current themes that I'm using for my Wild Gear brand. And if you want to discover themes, you can just visit the theme store. And my advice, if you are beginner and you haven't met any sale on your store, just go to the free one. It's, you can upgrade later when you already make money on your store. The price of the paid themes around 200 until for 400 bucks. But my advice to you, if you haven't met any sale, just go to the free one. It's already good enough for starting. And I personally use this heritage themes, and I actually almost finished my website. As you can see, it looks clean and professional, and I like the fonts and also the colors. And after this, I'm going to show you the very basic customization that we can do on your store. So what you're gonna do is go to the edit themes. You click that button. This is the header. You can change the wording here. So learn survival skills usually is for the articles or the blog that these themes meant for. So this is the main menu and this is the heading. I want to add a slideshow for like the summer sales edition or beginner survival equipments after the heading here before the banner. So what I'm going to do is to add block here and you can see so many features here. There is button, heading, icon, images, logo. You can also put your own logo here and the page is like section. So I already create this slideshow, so I'm going to just make it visible. It will appear like this. So I'm going to save it first and it will appear like this. Camping and survival deals, blah blah blah. And you can customize the image. You can click on this first slideshow and change this and then select from your library. You can also add your new picture or files here. It's very simple. And you can also put video, any video you have here. But I'm gonna go with just images. And also if you want to change the wording, you can just click on the wording and then yes, that's pretty much it. You can do bold or not bold. And if you want to add the shop now button here, or if you want to change the word inside the button, you can change it here. Shop, stuff like that. And you can also customize where this button going to, like redirect the customer to which collection or which products. But for now I'm going to just let it like this. Well, and also if you don't like the colors of the themes, oh by the way, don't forget to save everything after you work on it. You can click the gear icon here and there is logo and favicon. Let me just show you. Oh, actually, I already upload my logo here. And for the favicon, I'm going to use my full color logo, this one. And for the colors, so see, Shopify already have the shims of the colors, so you can just change like, it's just for an example, like this. They already have it here. But if you want to customize it, you can just click on the add themes and you can like feel free to change anything you want. And also you can also change the typography. Here's the font style and the size for the paragraphs, for the heading 1 and heading 2 and so on and so on. And also the page layout and the button. You can just play around with this setting. If you doesn't like it, you can just undo it here. Or like if you have MacBook, you can just tap the Command and Z button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And once you're finished with the customization, you can click publish. Because I already published my current themes, then there is no publish button here. But if you recently finish it and you haven't published it, click publish and then your store will appear and the customer can see your store. And that's your theme. Then you've got your themes installed and applied and you can do the basic customization, your logo is up, your colors is match your brand, your fonts are set, and your homepage has image that actually represent your brand. And before you close that tab, I want you to grab your phone and visit your URL store. See how the hero image looks like on the phone. That's how most buyer will see it. In the next episode, episode 4, we will setting up the payments. Subscribe this YouTube channel and help me to grow this YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment and likes and also share. See you in the next video.